Hi everyone, are you tired of Telegram videos redirecting to the Terabox or external links? Today I'll show you how to easily watch Telegram videos in app without Terabox. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram channel or group where the video was posted. Then make sure that it's direct file upload and not link preview. Then, Telegram videos that play in app have a play button overlay and the file size shown. If it's look like a YouTube Terabox thumbnail, it's an external link, so skip those. Then just stop and play the button once. Telegram will buffer the video and start streaming inside the app. No Terabox required. And if you want to save it offline, just stop the three-dot menu and hit the Save Gallery or Save to Downloads. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't click on the shortened links. Avoid external drive links. And if it says open to your browser, it's not a Telegram hosted video. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.